Yo, boys, we just bought a new van. Not a lot of...
2 minutes!
Let's do it! Let's spin it!
Bro, it's 1 minute!
Nei! Hæ? Nei! Okay, wait, I need to...
Bro!
No. Okay, I'm doing it! Someone send it.
Come on!
No, did you do it? Yeah. You did it! Aram did it!
Now we're bidding against each other! Now we're bidding against each
dumb.
other!
You were the one doing it!
Don't bid against me,
Okay,
bro!
I'm not bidding you, okay. Why did you bid before? I was
Because it was out of time, bro!
Okay.
Come on!
I told you guys you mustn't buy this car.
No! No!
Are you serious?
You just go for it!
It's the worst car in the world.
Nine! Are you Giga Dad? Are you trolling?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, good.
Bro, same bidder 2 times. Shut the f. Did
Yeah,
I?
you... No.
Nah, bro, I didn't bid.
Arian, you did bid 2 times.
I did.
Kødder du?
Yo, base. I did bid.
No, you did
Bro,
bid
I was
2
panicking.
times.
I was panicking.
Arian, you
I was-
idiot!
I outbid myself, bro. I outbid myself, bro.
Why did you
I had so much dopamine. It was insane. I couldn't. So today we're gonna start off with cleaning everything, guys, from this mess. We picked it up yesterday, and yeah, you can see what's going on.
Let's just look around.
Let's look around.
These ones are new. It's hard to close the door.
Or the door. Yeah.
It's hard to close it.
It's
So
good.
that's a good sign. At least this one should go through the EO. As you can see from the back, it's been crying a lot. Rust tears, not that good. We need to fix that. Okay, so in the front you can see it has been a company car, fishing company car.
Rest there. This one it fixed. Like we need to. Yeah, we need to fix basically almost everything. But guys, we can stand in this car. That's nice. The original height of the roof is here.
Just imagine sitting like this. This would be me standing in the car right now. I can go.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, this is sick.
Yeah, it's amazing.
This is what we were wanting. That's why we took some
Exactly.
time. Because we had to find a car that actually had a roof.
Yeah, it looks
It's
like
not
really
too much
good insulation.
and it's probably molding. This is probably what smells like.
Yeah. It does smell.
Mold.
It does smell pretty heavily mold here.
The car has a heavily sense of mold smell.
There's some gamer gunk here on the floor. I'm not really sure what that is. This, as you can see here, guys, seems pretty molded. It does sink pretty bad. So we'll see how bad it is under here. So we have to remove this as well.
So today, remove this, remove that, clean, and then next step, bring it to the EU control, and then we see what's wrong with it.
Yeah.
This is not air condition. It is just air coming in. So we need to install air condition somehow.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Woo!
Bad.
Yeah. Goes like a clock.
15,000 kroners.
Yeah. We have $1,500 to try to flip the car now and fix it.
Innovation inside, cleaning, installation, then all technical stuff, solar panels, Starlink, converters, batteries, then tables, then sofas, and then sink, all kitchen equipment, then probably paint and stuff around
Yeah.
it, rust holes, just the materials for that, just screws in general.
Yeah, easy $1,500, guys. You can
So
do
this is
all
no
that
problem.
work for sure. For sure.
We'll make it happen.
Got some pretty epic stuff going on here. You can probably buy this new. This is like a cheap part, I think. Maybe we can do use like a section cup and like pull this out and like shoop. This one is really bad. You can literally put your hand all the way in there. This one we need to buy new. This is broken. This is like type of parts that do get broken pretty fast. Yeah, there's in general a lot of work that needs to be done. Voila!
What I think is weird is it misses a screw, and it looks like it's oil that has been come in there. Do you see it?
Where?
Straight forward there.
Oh, wow.
Put on the flashlight on the phone and click +1.
Okay, interesting. And it's probably dripping on the dynamo here, creating an absolute Chad fire hazard.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got brake fluid, so we're good.
So, we have zero experience when it comes to renovating, when it comes to fixing cars, when it comes to like life in general. So, I will just take you through the journey. It's going to be interesting. If we're going to do anything, I'm not sure. We will try our best. We don't have a big budget, but we will show you how little money and how little experience can you have and still hopefully fix it
Fix this thing up, guys.
Everyone that has been donating and supporting us throughout this last month and then the next 2 months probably will get their name somewhere on the van.
Yeah, I feel like they've been just throwing stuff in here.
So
that is trying
I
to do
think
some
they've been
alchemy.
doing like the bare minimum, but at least something.
Yeah, the bare minimum is better than nothing. Could be. Total chat, it was $2,400 in total with fees. And also insurance, another $600 per year. So we are at $3,000 already. Like, actually, we are.
Yeah.
$3,000 has been spent already. Because I spent $600 on insurance and $2,400 on
We might
car.
sell it in 3 months. No, but this we need as well for later. We can see here, it's already been clean.
Is the charging going on?
We need to remove that one as well, like he's doing.
In the future. What tool was he using?
Screwdriver. I think he's been screwing on these. Actually, no joke. I think you just have to rip it off.
All of this is his homemade work.
We just gotta rip it off, all of it. Just try to use the crowbar on it.
We do like this.
Yeah, just do it.
Because these, you can... Oh. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Just pop off.
There's nothing in there.
Wow. Oh,
Just
it's
wires.
insulated with nothing. That wires we need to be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, wires we need to be very careful about. And this one we need to keep for size reference.
Yeah.
Or what's called for measure reference. Or... Oi, wow, it is the left.
Are you sure?
No, it's like,
I think it's to hold it the right way.
yeah.
It's like,
This actually, no, it is a lot left.
there we go.
It doesn't matter if it's chilly a lot, because guys, we're gonna have to like ultra clean this shit anyway. Like honestly, we have to clean it.
What do we do with this rust here? I don't forget about it. Oh, wire brush. I agree. I think using wire brush is good. Yeah. It is working. Nice. Let's push this one out. Yeah. Because I hate the roof.
The hammer.
Dude, actually, we need glasses for this, bro. I'm not gonna.
Oh yeah, we need glass for that for sure. This one's stuck.
There we go.
Okay, this one we need to keep. This one's looser. Oh, they're pretty bad rusty, guys. Moisture has been in here earlier. This one was barely even on. Wow. It's rusted tight here. Barely on, and it was rusted tight. It doesn't budge. This is where it's supposed to be lubed up. Not here, bro. Or like there as well, but... oh, I need to grab this. Oh, and that one, damn. I almost forgot. But we can always clean this metal. Is good. We just need to clean it. Okay, let's take this off together with Vanguard. Cinema, this works. That works good.
But, by the way, for the roof, we need a suit, bro.
Check the asbestos from the roof. It's gonna cover us, bro. It's gonna be good.
Do you feel like you're protected with this mask? Even though it's like, make you like you can't breathe. Let's put on the suits. Good boys.
Breaking bald, bro.
Bro, did you rip it?
Biltema!
Oh my god, bro. You gotta be careful about the strength, dude.
I was careful.
Oh. Do you have duct tape?
Yeah.
Just duct tape it then. Can't destroy it with asbestos.
Asbestos.
Okay, perfect. Okay, boys, let's take off this. We are sure we should take this off? Yeah. That one should just stay. It's not good. This is actually clean. This is the only thing that's kind of clean there. Okay. Just for now. Take off the plastic first, maybe?
Yeah.
Because I'm afraid this is glued on.
Maybe, yeah. Good we got the asthma suit, actually.
But remember to spray the roof as well, because you can see the particles come out when I haven't sprayed stuff. It's like super bad for you. Okay, just like the worst. Like you should remove the worst with this one. But again, we should spray it because it will be so much particles.
Yeah, but I am gonna spray it. But I mean, this is a two-man job.
Okay.
We have to make it not like zero mold.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I feel the mold. I see the mold, the dust is coming. Double installer, boys, because if we didn't have installer, this would actually, I think, take 5 times as long time. This is like 5x speed doing it with this.
Yeah.
And I can do this one. I can even get inside here as well.
Corners.
Oh, satan. I can. Okay.
Yeah, it's looking good there.
Or it's not done, but it's, you know.
I can do this. Some heavy glue remover. But that means we need...
I guess that is what removes the glue. Alcohol.
Yeah, no,
Alcohol
but then we
removes glue.
need mask for it, and we don't have that. Most likely we have to do more of these. We can remove the floor, but we have to wait with doing the more of this removing till we get the right mask. No, we don't have it.
But easy problem is this alcohol, you're just gonna get drunk. It's no problem, you're just gonna get drunk.
Okay.
Okay, boys, now we have finished almost or removed all of the
gunk.
The gamer gunk on top. I'm not
That's
sure what that is called.
insane.
It's what is it called? Insulation that had mold.
All the molded insulation.
Molded insulation, so now actually doesn't smell that much mold there.
Now the rest of the mold is under the under here, and yeah.
We're gonna see how it looks like underneath. How rusty, how molded, how bad is it, guys?
It's for like.
Bro, look at you. You look so good.
Dude, I don't your face is also good. I didn't feel your face. Just feel yourself like this. Like, just look at yourself here. Look.
Look here as well without the flashlight.
bro.
Without the flashlight.
Yeah, look at yourself as well.
Asbestos.
Arspe.
Okay, which one?
It's just normal, looker. We need to screw off those lists. And the lists are just normal screwdrivers, like stjerne.
Old Star.
Yeah. Oh, okay, good.
Sharpen it.
So now this one is
Be interesting.
loose.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll
Let's
see it
take
soon. The only thing that might be nice to save is this list. And this list.
Yeah, alright, at least for measurements sake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Push hard down. Maybe just rip it off, maybe.
These screws are so rusted. It's rusted away.
Crowbar.
Yeah, crowbar.
Good.
I hope we don't break anything else.
Do you think you do?
I don't know.
Crowbar too tight?
But this one, if I do super slow, it's possible.
Okay.
I still like stab it down. Yeah. Like slow here. Now I got the loose.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, boys. There's probably something else in there as well.
Oh. What?
Wow, damn, look at the water. It's wet.
Nei. Oi, oi, oi. So
Wow.
good. And
Wow, it looks better than I thought.
okay.
But then again, it is even more...
Oh. It smells.
It's mold, bro.
Yeah,
That's not
it
so
smells.
mold.
Oh.
That smells really bad. Perfect condition for creating mold.
Mold.
You know? If I can get the shit out.
Okay, be careful with it. Be careful so we don't lose it.
Completely rusted.
Is it for the screws?
Yeah. It's not for the, you know, the things that goes like this.
Okay.
That you can
Yeah.
attach things to.
Yeah.
Completely rusted, chat.
Try to open up this. Try to open this as possible.
Oi.
Okay.
Okay.
Not bad.
This dirty shit. But look at molded shit. This thing, we need to make a new. This
Yeah, I mean, like, I use it for, like, but it's fine. We
Me-
already have
measure.
it. We already have measure.
Oh, mold.
That's disgusting! Oh, shit. But luckily it's not glued up. Okay, let me go on the other side. Oh, shit. Shut up! Even with the mask, it smells dog shit. Wow.
There's nothing left of it. Yeah, these are stuck.
These two.
Oh my god. Yeah. So it needs manpower.
Try manpower.
The drill isn't strong enough. Let's try.
Come on!
Okay, fuck, it's actually
Stuck.
rusted like
The drill then.
Yeah, it's just bending the metal there.
Fuck. Chad, what can we do? Can we drill it through?
It's broken. This is This is broken. Try this one.
Okay.
You move though.
It's broken. It's fuck. Okay, let's
cut it.
There we go. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Or I didn't. Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Can you see? Oh yeah. It's not so bad. Yeah, I can't smell anything at all. Lifting up together here. Okay? This is all trash. Plastic over this? Yeah. Now the smell will be better at least. Let the door open and it'll go away. Yeah. But you see, these are supposed to be like, these have to be safe, right? And these were rusted like crazy. This is good, the screw, but the other thing was rusted on. I don't really think we need any holes. I don't think we need to screw anything in. Go for it, then. Oh my days. It's a worm. Huh? What is it? It's not a worm, it's just dirt. Is that a mold worm? Dude, is it alive? A mold worm? It's a live organism that survive in the mold. It's just nice to get the worst part so we don't have to go in there super dirty.
That's what I mean.
We're gonna throw these asbestos on them, trash on them. We're gonna throw this now. Yeah. So then we're done with like the dirtiest shit. Yeah, okay. Yo! Old bald fat for the 30 bucks. Let's go. Ow. Dude, 30 bucks. 30. Dude, Hanson or something. Let's go. Yo, we see. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go. Thank you so much for the 30, bro. That's huge. Thank you so much. The only reason why I didn't want to use this brush is because then we can't use it again for anything else. Because it's gonna be fucked up. I mean, you can only use that one for basic shit. Yeah, okay. Incredible how much dirt is coming through. Wow. That's insane. It must be coming from somewhere. Progress today. You know, you can see it's definitely a lot of rust everywhere. So this we have to, I don't know, angle grind. Look up here as well. Insane progress.
Worked on today.
Dude, almost no asbestos left.
Asbestos.
Almost no asbestos. Oh my god, it's
Honestly,
almost clean.
Very nice to
Very
see.
clean. It's almost clean, our
We
boys.
did quite a bit of work today.
Yeah, that's insane.
We did.
Now it feels more healthy to stand there, at least.
But it doesn't smell that much mold now.
No, now it's open, it's good. I think with the ozone thing, we can just kill everything, and then it will not smell ever. If we then make it waterproof, no mold can grow in this van. Zero mold. This is amazing. Good job, boys. Look at it! So, next step on Wednesday, we'll clean everything perfectly fine. We'll remove mold from the doors, like here. Remove mold from the doors.
And cleaning the gravel.
Take it easy, boys.
Sometimes you clean gravel and put the gravel into the garbage can.
Yeah, so next time, hopefully, when we are done with the next stream, everything will be cleaned. That would be amazing if we can do that. This black mold plank, let me smell it. Yeah. It's like gray everywhere. You see, for you as well, let's in a little bit dust, but for me, let's in even more.
Maybe we should actually take a jogging trip to just to like clean the lungs a bit.
Okay, so now we're gonna take it, drive the car to the EU control place, and then we'll see if it passes EU control. And we'll get like a big list of problems. It'll be nice to know for tomorrow. Because tomorrow, chat, we gotta, and everyone I'm in,
Why are we still here?
we gotta move rest and do all that part when we get it home from the EU control. It will be like a quest. We get a quest list of what we need to do.
So yeah, boys, this was just quick cleaning, so we can just get it to the air control, and they will not be like, oh, it smells like mold in there, because it does smell better in there already.
Now it smells okay.
It smells okay.
It smells fine. I don't even think about it.
And let's pray that the van will pass the EU control with not too many faults. We'll see.
And guys, we're not gonna put a pressure washer inside because there's electrical components and electrical stuff everywhere. So if we do that, then we're also gonna let in rust because there's holes that go underneath there, and we definitely are not gonna have water running down here, boys, and rust it up. Ooh. You can hold the...